Hello, it's Phil Thatch here, and today I'm going to use my Mavic Mini drone, which I've nicknamed Pee-wee, and demonstrate the quick shot modes that it has. So let's get in the air. Say hi to Pee-wee. Okay, the first quick shot. Let's see. You hit the button above the record button to bring up the quick shots, and you'll see there it is at the bottom of the three columns, the bottom right one. Quick shot. And we'll do, let me move over here just a little bit. We'll do a droney first. So we'll select droney. And we'll do 100, let's do an 80 footer. You can do 80, 100, or 120 feet if you're an Imperial, which I use. And then all you do is hit start. Oh, wait a minute. First I have to highlight myself, there we go. Then hit start, and it'll count down. And there it goes. It's doing this all by itself. I'm not hitting the controller at all. And when it gets done, it stops recording and it automatically returns to where it started, which is kind of a nice feature. Hi, Pee-wee. All right, let's see, what's our next? What are we gonna try now? We can do a rocket. I'm gonna start the rocket from a little further back. My favorite thing about rocket is it flies straight up, but it rotates the gimbal down. The rocket flies straight up, but it rotates the gimbal down and keeps the subject in the frame. So you just hit, once you're in the box like I am now, you just hit start. 3, 2, 1. And there it goes. And you can see it's pointing its camera down and keeping me in the shot. Thumbs up, Pee-wee. And once that's completed, it stops recording. And it'll come right back down to where it started. Okay, so next I'm going to do a circle. And when you do a circle, I want to make sure I'm far enough back to where I don't run into my tripod. When you do a circle, you select which direction you want the drone to go. And we will go clockwise this time. And you just select your subject and hit start. And after a count of 3, Pee-wee the Mavic Mini will start circling around me, keeping me in the frame the whole time. And I wish that there was a way, and if you know of a way to do this, please leave a comment. I wish there was a way to make it just keep going. But what it does is, after it gets one full circle done, it stops. Okay, so the next quick shot, and this one I've never done before because I've never done it in a big space like this. The next one is Helix. And we're going to do the full helix. We're going to do 120 feet tall. And a helix starts at a pretty small circle and flies up as it circles. So let's select me as the subject and start. There it goes. Now it's going in a circle and flying up and keeping the gimbal, the camera, on me. And here's something else. You can move, and even though it's doing this maneuver, it still will keep me in the frame. Actually, once it got up to a certain height, I was too small for it to keep tracking. Here it comes right back down to where it started. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Now let's try a circle with it keeping me in the frame. I'm gonna do it a little bit higher so it's above my tripod over there. This time we'll go counterclockwise on our circle. Oops. Gotta select myself. Need to get in the frame, huh? There we go. All right, so while it's doing its circle around me, I'm gonna walk at a pretty brisk pace and see if it keeps me in the frame. Oh, it lost me. Of course, I walked right at it. Let's try this again, and I'll walk away from it this time. All right, I am now the subject. I'm gonna go counterclockwise, and I'm gonna walk away from it while it's recording. Okay, I am in the frame. It hasn't lost me yet. Oh wow! It did the circle flight and flew. Instead of going around me, it did the full circle and kept pointing at me as it did the circle that it was supposed to do. How about that? Let's do another one. That is cool. Clockwise this time. So it flies the circle it's supposed to fly, and if it can keep you in the frame, it does. If you walk someplace to where it can't keep you in the frame, then it won't. Let's do another one. We'll do this one clockwise and start. It's already following me even though it hadn't started yet. Okay, so I'm going to walk outside of the circle that it was doing, and it should just spin the drone as it's flying in the circle to keep me in the shot. Yeah, absolutely. That is cool. All right, so those are some quick shots. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.